Good morning, everyone. Hey, it is Saturday morning, and you know what that means.
Crafty Kids!
So today, we are making paper plate gratitude pies in honor of Thanksgiving.
Ooh.
Because who doesn't love pie at Thanksgiving, right?
I love pie.
Especially pumpkin pie.
Yes.
So we're going to make a pumpkin pie
Oh,
gratitude pie.
I love that.
And it just turns. So we have multiple pieces. We have working pieces in this one.
I love
Up
that.
close, you can see it.
Yeah.
Okay. And all we need for this, we need a paper plate
Cool.
and some construction paper, some markers, maybe a pen so we can draw our circle with it, a pen or a pencil.
Cool.
Scissors. This will just help us draw our circles. And then a pipe cleaner.
Perfect.
You're not going to believe what the pipe cleaner's for.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's kind of oddball what we're going to do here because my pie plate, or my paper plate has pictures all over it.
Yes.
The pie doesn't have pictures, so we're going to turn this inside out. So we're just going to smoosh, smoosh, smoosh.
Smooshing.
Now, if your paper plate doesn't have pictures, you don't have to do this.
Ah.
But honestly, I kind of like doing this anyway.
Yeah.
Because it makes it look more pie-shaped.
It
It's
does.
a little deeper, a little rounder. So I'm just flipping it inside out and then pushing this back down. And you can see it looks just a little more
It does.
squishy pie shape.
Yeah.
So we've got that.
Perfect.
And we know pie isn't perfectly round.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's a good,
I love
pretty
it.
good estimate there.
It's perfect.
And we're going to take some scissors.
Mm-hmm.
And you see how it's all
Ah, like a pie.
pie. Now, if this were a cooking show, I would tell you that that's a fluted edge.
Oh.
But this is a crafty show. So I'm just going to tell you that we're just going to cut little waves on it. It's a wavy
Ah,
edge.
a wavy edge. But a fluted edge. How fun.
Fluted edge, yes.
Yes.
If you ever watch somebody in your family make a pie, this is kind of like the part where they have all the crust down and then they pinch those edges all the way around to make it pretty.
Right. Yes.
This is what we're imitating right here.
Mm-hmm.
Pinching our edges.
Very cool.
I had my best friend's granny taught me how to make pie.
Aw,
So,
how neat.
yep. Okay, now we're gonna make the circle, the orange pumpkin circle that goes on the inside.
Okay.
And that is roughly a 6-inch circle.
Okay.
So if you can estimate really well, go ahead. I am not that good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ruler here. I'm gonna make a little dot at 0.
Mm-hmm.
And you can use a pen, pencil, you can use one of the markers if you want. And then a little dash at 3. And I'm
Perfect.
just gonna leave the center at 0 and make little dashes at my 3-inch all the way around.
Oh,
And this is how you can make a pretty good circle.
that's so neat.
And then I real quick just draw them all together. Just like that.
Perfect.
Again, remember, pie's not perfect.
Mm-mm.
So we don't have to be either.
Perfect.
Doesn't matter what it looks like because it tastes good, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. Pumpkin pie is my favorite, I think.
Oh,
That-
pie is my favorite.
Pecan pie as well.
Oh, I love all pie.
Yes, all pie is delicious.
Just pie is my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna cut it out. Get that out of the way. And there we go.
Marvelous.
Now, the next thing is if you see, there's a bite taken out of that. Somebody already took a slice.
There is.
But fortunately, we have our little dot that we already put
Uh-huh.
on our circle. So
Yes.
we're just gonna cut 2 lines to the center of that, right up to that dot.
Cool.
Boop, just like that.
Boop.
If you want, you could take this and decorate that into a slice.
You could.
See, we have crafts inside of crafts.
We do. Crafts for days.
Crafts for days. All right. We're gonna put that in there like that.
Very nice.
Now,
That's my kind of slice.
take the pen back. Big slice.
Yeah.
And there's a couple different ways you can do this. If you want to use something sharp, like scissors or something, you might want to get some help with that just in case.
Yes.
If you're using a pen or a pencil, this could work. I wouldn't do it with a Sharpie or your markers because those are kind of soft tips.
Yes.
But just, again, right next to where we cut that hole, we're just gonna kind of push, poke a hole in there.
Oh. Okay.
There it goes. See?
Perfect.
All the way through to the other side.
Cool.
And then we're gonna just take this part for a minute. And now this is the decorating part.
Ah.
So, in order to make this look a little more pie-like, I happen to have a brown marker.
Oh.
See if you have brown or maybe yellow or gold or something.
Yeah.
Just go around that outer edge a little bit. Make it look like it's been in the oven and baked.
Oh, very cool.
Just a little bit.
Ooh, and you could really color that as much as you wanted to.
Yeah, you could color a whole bunch.
Yeah.
You could color just the edges like I am.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I know you guys want to get started on your own, so I'm not going to take time to color it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But I could, if I wanted to really take time, I could really color it.
Jazz it up. Yeah.
There we go. And then this is like the pinching again, remember?
Yes.
Pinching. There. So
Perfect.
now there's our pie.
Yay.
And then on this piece, this is going to end up going back in the center.
Mm-hmm.
This is where we're going to write, I am thankful for.
Ah.
And then this is when you guys are going to have to kind of think about, what are you thankful for?
Let's see.
Liesl, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for friends and family and books.
Yeah. I'm going to do these in all different colors.
Yeah.
All the colors. I'm thankful for.
Yay.
And then, okay. So we've got I am thankful for.
Awesome.
Pie.
Yeah.
So now there's a couple different ways you can do this.
Okay.
If you have, it's called a brad.
Oh.
It's like a thumbtack on top, but the little pieces that come down the bottom, they bend and you can flare them out flat. But not everybody has those just laying around the house.
Might be in office supplies.
That'd be an office
at like a
supply, so you can
store.
always do that.
Yes. Yeah.
That'll help make it turn.
Perfect.
You could use a push pin, but
Okay.
then it might be kind of pokey on the back.
Mm-hmm.
So you could stick like an eraser on the back of it.
Ah.
do that.
Yes.
What I figured, I was going to take a pipe cleaner.
Yes.
Because even though the hole looks small, pipe cleaners are fuzzy.
Uh-huh.
They squish.
They do
It goes
squish.
right through there.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put it right through here.
Awesome.
See?
Yes.
And then it's going to be mostly on this side. A
Cool.
little bit over here. And we're just going to twist it and lay it flat. Just to hold it in place.
Awesome.
Smoosh it up there so it doesn't pop out.
More smooshing.
There's a lot of smooshing in pie.
Mm-hmm. It's true.
And then we do it this side. And if you do it in kind of a big lumpy bump, it kind of looks like whipped cream on top.
A dollop of whipped cream.
That's why I chose the white one.
It's perfect.
But you know what? You can choose any color you like.
That's
The
true.
pack that this came from, there were so many colors.
Oh, so many colors.
So, of course, I'm covering up my words a little bit. I might just smoosh it a little more extra. There we go. There. There.
Yay.
The best part is now we're going to stop and think, what are we thankful for? So, Liesl, you said you're thankful for friends?
Friends,
So
yes.
right in here, it's going to write what we're thankful for.
Perfect.
Like that. And then this turns.
Neato.
What else are we thankful for?
Family.
Family. Family.
Very nice.
We're going to turn it.
Books,
Ooh.
perhaps?
Right. Since we're sitting in a library,
Yes.
I'm definitely thankful for books. I love books. Books.
Awesome. Crafts.
I love crafts.
Me too.
Let's do the green one for this one.
Mm-hmm.
And you just keep going around. I think we have room
Nice.
for maybe one more. Let's see.
Sharon.
I know what I'm thankful for. I'm going to use the purple. Can you guys guess?
Googly eyes.
I'm thankful for googly eyes.
It
so I can
must
put them
be.
on
Yes.
all of my crafts.
Absolutely.
I don't know, do you think pie can have googly eyes on it?
I think it could.
Like I could.
I think anything can have googly eyes on it.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
I think I might sneak it back home and stick some on our gallon of milk.
I think there you go.
So you open the fridge, it's looking at
Everything's looking at you. Yeah.
But there we go. There is our gratitude pie.
Awesome.
So on Thanksgiving, you can look at all the things you're grateful for, and you can turn that spinner. Oh, we have room for one more.
Oh, we do.
There's our friends, and there's family, and books, and crafts,
Yeah.
and googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
And then this one, I'm gonna let you fill that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
And next week, we're going to be doing some egg carton flossing activities.
Oh.
I know, this one sounds interesting.
Very
I'm not quite sure what
interesting.
Liesl has up her sleeve here, but
I
I'm going to
haven't.
watch and find out.
Haven't the foggiest.
She's not going to tell us anything. So, to gather your supplies, you're going to need an egg carton and some construction paper and some scissors and some glue, a little bit of tissue paper, and some floss.
Oh.
Like dental floss.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm curious. I'm going to get my stuff together and I'll see y'all next week. And send us pictures of what your pie is. Tell us what you're thankful for this Thanksgiving.
Absolutely.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Thanks, Sharon.
Bye, guys. Hey, Liesl.
Hi. Hi,
Hey.
Sharon.
So I was thinking of baking a pie. So what do you think is the best thing to put into a pie?
I don't know.
Your teeth.
If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.
And like and share on Facebook.
Help us share our crafts with as many kids as we can.
Thanks,
everybody.
everybody.